Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Manuel, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys the best website to get your PNGs for your next project. Trust me, this is one of the best, or I would say this is the best PNG website I've ever seen. The name is called PNG Wing. Don't forget PNG Wing, and you can quickly search it on your PC right now as you are watching this video. PNG Wing, and then you press enter to get it. So this is basically how the website looks like, and I'm going to take you guys through everything you need to know about the PNG Wing, how to download, how to search for files or resources, how to download them, and probably how to use them in your next project. The good news is that it is free to use. You may not have to buy or pay for anything over here. So you can see these are some of the PNG things we have here, but mostly you can easily search it here from the search engine or the search button over here and use it for your project. But before I start, please don't forget to comment, like, and share, and subscribe in case you are new. Now let's go into the PNG Wing. So as I said at the intro, this is the PNG Wing, and you can start by searching for whatever you want. So let's search for flower, for example. You type flower, you press enter, and then you are going to get a lot of flowers from this website. So you can see we have these beautiful flowers. In case you're designing a wedding flyer or a flyer which you may need flowers, this is the best place to come. PNG Wing. You can see you can choose from these varieties of flowers. So we are going in for this one, and then we are going to download it. Yes. So you come down, you can see that you can see no commercial use, and then we have these ones over here. That's it's also related to flowers. So this is the dimension, and then you can easily download this PNG. The size is 630.22 KB, which is very small. It's easy to download as well, as I said. So you click on download this PNG, and then it is going to take you to the place where you have to follow some simple steps to download it. So your download will start shortly. Please wait. So while you are waiting, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You see, very simple and easy. So you can see that I've downloaded a lot of pictures or PNGs from this website. You can quickly save it to anyhow you want it, flower1.png, and then you're good to go. So you can come back here to the search button again, and then type coffee, and let's see how it goes. Good. So now we have coffee seeds, we have a clay part of coffee, or let's say a logo, a symbol of coffee. We have a coffee splash, and we have coffee seeds. Sorry, we have these coffee stars here. So it depending on whatever you are going to do or whatever you need, you just type it, and then you are good to go. So let's type something like splash. Splash, and I know we are going to get varieties of splash. So while we are waiting, don't forget to subscribe. You just need internet to do this. So we have a water splash. So in case you are designing something for a water company and you need a water splash, you can type splash, and then you are going to get ideas. As I said, this is one of the best PNG websites, and I decided to share with you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. I'm going to as well post other PNG websites that you can get free stocks for your project. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.